everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious chicken recipe. It's going to be chicken tikka curry. I will show you how to make a chicken tikka. Very delicious and tender and juicy. We're going to marinate ginger, garlic, green chili, dahi and spices from masala dabba. We're going to make a tadka with the onion, tomato sauce. I always list my ingredient list under the description, so please check it out. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Chicken breast pieces I cut into good size. So that's going to be our chicken tikka. What I have done with the ginger, garlic and green chili, I put it into blender, made a smooth paste. Get a mixing bowl, and now we're going to marinate the chicken. First, bring all the spices, salt, degi mirch, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger, garlic, green chili paste. We're going to add dahi, homemade dahi, and we're going to combine it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is strictly optional. I'm going to use food color. Very low amount. You can skip it, but if you add it, and the chicken going to look better. The color looking really nice. Bring chicken. With the help of fork, mix it well. Once all the pieces are nicely combined, it's always a good idea to marinate for longer period of time, but I'll do it for only half an hour. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. Bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, first we're going to cook chicken tikka. So lay out all the chicken pieces just like this. Once all the chicken tikka pieces are laid out, now we're going to cook them well. So once it's going to cook a half to 8, then we're going to flip them over. As you can see, the color start to change. Now we're going to flip them over. Keep turning each pieces like this. Look at that beautiful texture. This is what we need. After turning the pieces over, now we're going to cook on the other side, and we're going to cook it really well. As you see, the chicken pieces are nicely getting cooked on this side as well. If you notice that all the marination has been dried out and the oil start to ooze out. Now flip them over and we're going to keep cooking until the chicken is fully cooked. So keep it moving. Our chicken tikka is all ready. So I'm going to pull out in a plate. Now we're going to add onion, and we're going to saute onion really well. So mix it well with the same oil. We're going to make sure that we saute it really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. It's nicely translucent. I'll add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Mix it well and cook it. Cooking ginger, garlic and green chili paste along with tadka for 1 minute. Add tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cooking for another minute. Add 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As the water starts to boil, open the lid. Mix it well. You can adjust the gravy according to your need, but this is perfectly fine. Add chicken tikka. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Bring your gas on a simmer. Add kasuri methi. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Cooking on a simmer for 3 minutes with the cover lid. I'll open it. Chicken tikka curry is all ready. I'll turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. As I mentioned earlier, this is a perfect curry. You don't need running gravy. This is a perfect. Look, it's so delicious. Mouth-watering chicken tikka curry recipe. Let me share with you. Chicken tikka curry is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Best with the rice flour. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.